Hi vlog, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this video guys is we're talking about tornado. Ayan, tornado mojito. So lahat ng mga mojito guys, di-discuss ko na muna ngayon. Tapos before we proceed to another topics about the another flavor, other kinds of coffee. So this time I will discuss only the mojito all flavor. For this video guys, I plan to discuss about this tornado. So tornado mojito. So what is tornado mojito? So we will make an actual procedure of tornado mojito, so that you will know about the procedure, the guidelines, and the mixing of the tornado. So first, what is tornado? So tornado guys is mixing also with blue ocean and raspberry. So the same procedure for red mix, the same procedure as a red mix. You mix also like 10 grams and 15 grams of sauce of a flavor. So let's start our actual procedure. So first again we will take this weighing scale, on your weighing scale, and as the same procedure on your weighing scale, and then wait, I will use this another one of so that so this is used now for first we will complete our gloves and mask. Yeah. So guys, now we will complete first our face gloves, face mask, everything. So now we will start. So this is our lagayan ngayon guys, ating lagayan sa mojito blue tornado. So ano nga ba yung tornado? What is tornado blue mojito? So the same procedure as red mix, so but the flavor is different. So this one I will show you. This is our blue flavor. So this one is our blue flavor. First you need to take 6 pieces of mint and 2 pieces of lemon slice. So 6 pieces again. So this one is 6 pieces, so you put here, and then lemon, 2 slices of lemon, 2 slices of lemon. This is our lemon. So 2 slices, that's what we will slice. So 2 slices of lemon, okay, 1 and 2. So you put here, and after that one, so we have already lemon and mint here inside. So now we will proceed to next dropping of blue, and this is what we call the blue ocean syrup. Blue Ocean. This one is a Blue Ocean syrup. So ito yung what we call Tornado Mojito. So first we will make a Red Zero this one. Okay, Red Zero now. So we will drop 10 grams of Blue Ocean syrup sauce. Oh my god. Wait, we will reduce. We will reduce this one little bit. So 10 grams only. So it's okay, that's all. 10 grams, 10.5 grams, the same as I already mixed before. I will put it 10.5 grams. So that's, guys, is a 10 grams, 10.5. It's okay, that's no problem. So after that one, you make it all the Red Zero again. Red Zero. See, Red Zero now, because you already put this blue. And then you make it again raspberry. See, this is raspberry. So 15 grams of raspberry. Sweet. 15 grams of raspberry. Okay. That's all, guys. See, this one is 15 grams of raspberries, total of 10 grams of Blue Ocean syrup and 15 grams of raspberries. So that's all. That's the procedure of Tornado. So now finish already our mixing. So you Red Zero again. You need this one?
هذا في شغل ولا ما في؟
Yeah, شوفوا.
تقريبا.
Oops. So guys, we already have here the blueberry, the Blue Ocean, raspberry, and lemon mint. So what we need to do is next is a sodas. This is our sodas. We need a sodas. Same as procedures. Take this one sodas for a mojito. So depende yan, guys, kung gusto nila ng mojito, gusto nila ng ibang flavor. Meron kaming code red, meron kaming ibang code flavor, code red. Kung gusto nila ng code red lalagay, it depends on the customer. So ang atin lang ngayon ay ito lang muna ang sodas. So ito kasi yung mga sodas na ito. Yan. Dalawa kasing klaseng sodas ginagamit namin. We have two sodas here. We need to use here in our Tornado Mojito. So ito lang ating gamit muna kasi ito yung usually ginagamit ko. So yun na lang ang next time na lang yun pag depende sa customer. It depends sa customer. So we will take it, we will open it. Then first open, but then this one later. Then we need to squeeze this one all. Squeeze first all this one. Squeeze all first this one. Squeeze and like this. squeeze 1 minute, no problem. Para yung ating mga lemon and mint and all flavors nag-mix na at all mixing. So that's all. Now again we will have one more glasses with lemon and with a lemon in the topper. This is what we call garnish, guys. Garnish ang tawagin. Lahat ng mga mojito ay meron siyang all mojito flavor. You should must be put this one in a topper of the glass here like this. What we call garnish. Garnish, yeah. That's what we call garnish. So like that, guys. See, we call garnish. So now it's already finished our squeezing. So we'll put sodas. We will put sodas. After all, we need to put some ice, 70 grams, like 5 pieces. 5 pieces, 70 grams of ice here. 3, 4, 5. The last finish, and this one also 3 pieces. So 3 pieces of the glass here, another one. 1, 2, 3. So now guys, we need to mixing this one. We need to mixing. No need to add sugar because the soda is already sweet, so no need to add sugar. Just you mix all this flavor. Just mix all this flavor so that you mix all this lemon, mint, everything here inside. So mix all together. 1 minute only, maybe 1 minute. That's after that one. Put some 1 grams here in glasses of raspberry. 1 gram. So maybe 2 pump of raspberry. So now it's already finished, guys. So this is a tornado mojito. See, we will try. We will taste it. Nice. Now we try to transfer here in the glass. We try to transfer it in the glass. Just slowly so that the design is not is okay, like this. Slowly. So that's all, guys. After that one, you need to take this red in the deep piece. Take this red color, this raspberry, so that color is mixing. See. So this is finished product, guys. This is finished product now. What we call tornado. This is tornado color, Mojito tornado. This is what we call the Mojito tornado. Mixing of raspberry and blue ocean flavor, blue ocean sauce flavor. So yung tinatawag na blue ocean, wala siyang halong raspberry. So yun lang yung tinatawag na blue ocean. So the same procedure lang lahat ng mojito, guys. Ang mojito kasi the same procedure lang lahat. Nagkaiba lang sila sa mga dropping, sa mga mixing ng mga flavor. So kung one flavor lang, patakan mo lang siya ng just drop it 20 grams. 20 grams. Every flavor is 20 grams. Always 20 grams. You drop always 20 grams. So that that is the procedure of our mojito. Pag may mixing, if there is mixing like red mix, like tornado, that kind of drinks is a mixing. So you need to make it 10 grams of like for example tornado, 10 grams of raspberry and blue ocean syrup, and 10 grams of blue ocean syrup and 15 grams of raspberry. So that is a tornado. And red mix is 10 grams of bimto and 15 grams of raspberry. So that's all. That's the mixing is different. Yung pag-mix nyo, pagka may may dalawang flavor, kailangan 10 grams yung isa, 15 grams yung isa. Always yan. So yun lang guys ang sa ating mojito. Ito yung tinatawag na Mojito tornado. So that's all. Mojito tornado. So ipakita ko sa inyo. Meron siyang kunting red na nahalo dyan kasi hindi man siya totally na blue lahat dyan. So meron siyang halong red na konti. Unlike dun sa blue ocean na talagang blue yan, yung as in blue yan, wala kang makitang puti-puti dyan. Wala kang, you didn't see here a white color in the glass. That is a blue, all color blue. Unlike dito sa red tornado, mayroong konting siya na halong red. So that is what we call tornado. So this is what we call the tornado mojito. This is what we call the tornado mojito. See? Mixing with raspberries and blue ocean syrup flavor. This is what we call tornado. See? This is what we call tornado mojito. Tornado mojito. That's all for today's vlogs. Thank you so much mga viewers ko. Thank you so much to all viewers. Thank you so much for your supports. And see you on my next vlog. Thank you.